Do you need more lawn care customers in your business? If so, this video is for you. I'm gonna share the 5 best ways that I personally use to get the 97 customers that I have right now that we do on a weekly basis. I'm gonna let you know what order I use them in, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you which one was the absolute most effective and that you must do so that you can thrive here in your lawn care business. Let's go. Whenever I first started my lawn care business, I had no idea what I was doing, but what I did think was this: I'm gonna start a business and then everybody is just gonna want me to cut their grass. The problem was no one knew who the heck I was. So I had to use these methods, starting out with number 1, to get new customers. And the first way that I used to get new customers was Facebook. I went on Facebook, I made a little post. I had this business at the beginning. It wasn't called Mack Landscaping and Lawn Care. It was called Mack Elite Lawn Service. And so what I did was I went to Vistaprint, I made some cards, got them printed out, and I just took a picture of those, put it on my Facebook page, and people started hitting me up. So number 1 is to create a Facebook page for your business. There's a lot of people out there that maybe you went to high school with, maybe they're family members, maybe they just want to support you because they rock with what you do. And when you create that Facebook page, you put that first post up, people are gonna know, oh, you are in business. And the people who are going to support you, they're going to hit you up. Who cares about the people who don't support you? You'll never know who they are anyway. But create that Facebook page, because that's how I got my first batch of customers of 8 to 12, just by a simple taking a picture of a business card, throwing it up on Facebook and letting people know Mack Elite Lawn Service, not Mack Landscaping and Lawn Care, is in business. Also, my homeboy Piper, he's in business too.
I brought coffee.
He brought coffee, but now that you know, you got to start that Facebook page, man. We're going to get to number 2. Now let's get this coffee.
Have yourself a coffee.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Let's go. The second way that I got customers was after I put those cards up on Facebook, we started getting some word of mouth. So number 2 is word of mouth. Once you put that thing up on Facebook and people start hitting you up, they're going to know that you're in business. And once you do great work for them, they are going to spread the word about how good you did. And you'll start getting some more calls because you serve someone else so well. So number 2 is word of mouth. I'm out here doing oil changes right now while you are learning how to get new customers. So remember, whenever you get a new customer from one of those people from your social media posts, make sure you ask them, hey, how did I do? Are you happy? And do you have anyone else that may need these new lawn care services so that I can come by and give them this professional work like you got? So number 2 is to ask for word of mouth referrals, and make sure that you do good work, because sometimes you don't even need to ask. The people will just be so happy with what you've done that they'll refer you out to their sister, their uncle, their grandparents, their friends, their co-workers, and all of those great people. And you will get new customers just from doing good work for people that's in your Facebook posts. Let's get to number 3. Let's go. The third way for you to get brand new customers is, I hope you're enjoying the video, but why I got you. Are you going to Equip Expo? If so, I want to invite you to the 2025 Win in Life Meetup at Equip Expo. It is Wednesday night, October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. It is 100% free thanks to the sponsors. But we got 100 grab bags for the first 100 attendees. Food will be free while supplies last, so make sure you get there early so you can eat. We got a cash bar available if that's what you're into. But we got 8 lanes of bowling upstairs. We got arcade games, pinball machines, pool tables, dartboards, and a cash bar downstairs. Let's go. We'll be playing 3 games. We got the Strike Challenge, which was won by my homie Carter Glab last year of RFS Landscaping. We got the Rock, Paper, Scissors Tournament that was won by my homie Jeffrey Campbell, and he's like a 2 or 3 time winner at the Win in Life meetups. And last but certainly not least, we got the Best Dress Contest, which you get to decide by crowd participation, and it was won by my homie Ron Folk last year. So I hope to see you there October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. And right after that, we'll be doing the Lawn Care Power Moves podcast live show with my homie Cedric Still Cuts the Best in front of the live studio audience where we'll be having a giveaway there. There will be some door prizes available to you. But if you're not registered for Equip Expo already, man, use code MAC50, save yourself 50% on your Equip registration. Let's go. I hope to see you there Wednesday night, October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. for the 2025 Win in Life Meetup. Now let's get back to the video. Let's go. Once you got customers from Facebook, then you got some word of mouth customers. Number 3 is all of the people that you're taking care of currently, you need to go and do 5 rounds or even 9 rounds, which is going across the street, knocking on the 3 doors that are across the street, or for 9 rounds, the 5 doors that are across the street, and then the houses that are on either side of the property that you're doing. You got 1 property on left side and on the right side, that's 5 rounds, and if you want to go 9 rounds, it's the 2 properties on the left and on the right side. You go out there after you got these customers from your social media posts and also from word of mouth, and then you got to do your part after that is go out there and knock on the doors. The name of the game in lawn maintenance, property maintenance, is route density. So if you could have more properties close to each other, you can be more efficient, get more work done, and make more of that fettuccine alfredo, baby. So make sure once you get a new customer, whether it's from social media or from word of mouth, that you're going around and doing your part now and knocking on those doors of all of the neighbors that are around, whether it's the 9 or 5. Either way, you're going to get yourself some new customers from that and really make yourself more efficient. Now, I got to finish sharpening these blades, but we're going to get to number 4 right now. Let's go. The number 4 way that I personally have gotten new customers, and remember, I'm telling you these in the order that I personally use them so that they can help you. Number 4, best way that I have personally used to get new customers in my lawn care business is yard signs and print marketing. So yard signs like this one's for the leaves that we do. I also have one for snow, and I have one for regular lawn maintenance. You can also use door hangers. You can use cards, business cards. You can use postcards. All of these different things are available for you to market your business, but you have to market your business if you want new customers. The only way to get them is for people to know who you are, what you do, where you serve. That's it. That's the only ways. So make sure once you get these customers, whether it's from social media posts, word of mouth, or you going out there knocking on doors, once you get these customers, you want other people that are in that neighborhood or in that general area to know that you exist and you're the one who came out here and put this beautiful stripes or this beautiful landscape in, or power wash that thing, or blew out those gutters or cleaned the roof or did the window washing, whatever your business is. I personally do lawn maintenance, so we use things like that, but you want to get that in the yard because, again, like I said, route density is the name of the game in this industry. So you want to have as many properties as close to each other as possible so you can always have those machines going. So make sure that you invest in some yard signs, maybe some door hangers, definitely some business cards, and maybe even some postcards so people can know who you are, where you are, what you do, and they'll come to you. Now, we got to get up off this couch because your boy is tired. All right, we got to get to number 5. And then make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to let you know which one has been the absolute, and I do mean the absolute best way that I have personally got new customers. Let's get to number 5. Let's go. Now, a quick recap. Number 1, social media posts. I personally used Facebook, but you can use Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all these different social media platforms to make sure that people know what it is that you do. Number 2, word of mouth. Once you put that social media post up there, I can virtually guarantee you're going to get some people to hit you up and ask you to come give them whatever your beautiful, wonderful professional service is going to be, and then you're going to ask them to then refer you to other people, or ask them, do they know other people that you may be able to serve with this professional service like you have just given this new client that you got through your social media posts. Now you're going to ask for some word of mouth referrals. Number 3, getting out there, knocking on the doors, meeting the people that are in the neighborhood that you're currently taking care of so that you can increase your route density, which will then increase your efficiency and make you some more of that fettuccine alfredo, baby. Number 4, you want to make sure that you use your print marketing, all right, and do 5 rounds, 9 rounds, put a yard sign in their yard with your logo on there, really big. In your print marketing, we want to go for the things that are the most important: who you are, what you do, and the phone number or website so they can get directly to you with the print marketing. Number 5 is getting on Google and also making sure you have a website so that you can look the most professional. When you look at the people who are on Google, I'm more likely to click on the website of companies than people who don't have websites. So make sure you have a website. It sets you apart from these other people who may be on Google but don't have websites. You want to be the most professional and look the best online as you possibly can. So make sure you have a website and make sure you get on Google. Now, for the thing that has been the absolute best way for me personally to get new customers, and it is without a doubt getting on Google. If you want to have the customers that you want, we don't want to have the $25 customers. We want the $45, $50, $60, $70 customers. We do not want to be that $25 person, because you will not be able to get an employee. You won't be able to pay your bills. You won't be able to invest into new equipment to continuously give this professional service that you're promising. So make sure that you are on Google and make sure that you're charging the highest price that you possibly can to cover all of your expenses so that one day you can invest into new things and continuously upgrade your life and your business, your service, and the people that you are providing these wonderful services for. If at any point you felt like you got something great from this video, do me a favor, give it a like, maybe hit that subscribe button, or you can even share it to a friend who may need some help finding some new customers as well. As always, I love you. I appreciate you. I wish you nothing but success. And if I left anything out and you think that there's something that could help someone else, then make sure you comment down below. But don't forget, the Creator created you to be creative. So get out there and create whatever you want in your life, because it's possible. How do I know? Because I personally have changed my own life, and you can do it too. So get out there and create whatever you want in your life, because those are the 5 ways that I got my new customers, and now I'm out. Peace.